This is something my grandfather used to make. Simple ingredients and incredible flavor. This sandwich bread is so good and so easy to make. I use it on almost everything. It's so good, I'll make a sandwich of it by itself too. Really easy. We have oyster mushrooms, peppers. You can use hot or sweet depending on what you like. I'm gonna do a combination of both. I like it hot but not too hot. Tomato paste, pepper, salt, olive oil. Let's get to it and make this awesome spread. Start by chopping the peppers and removing the seeds. I leave them out for a smoother texture and milder heat. Next, chop up the oyster mushrooms. You can experiment with different mushrooms, but these give the most consistent texture and flavor. They're the closest I've found to what my grandfather used when he went foraging. Now we'll cook down the peppers. Heat a generous amount of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the peppers, season with salt and pepper, and cook until they're soft. Once the peppers are soft, add the mushrooms and continue cooking. You'll see them release their moisture, shrink down, and turn glossy. Keep cooking until they're very tender and mostly reduced. At this point, add chopped garlic. Add as much as you like to taste. I'm using about 4 cloves. I add it after the peppers and mushrooms have cooked down so that the garlic flavor stays more pronounced in the final spread. After the garlic cooks for a few minutes, add the tomato paste. I'm using a small 6-ounce can here, but adjust based on how many peppers and mushrooms you're using. Stir well, taste, and adjust the salt if needed. You're only cooking this for a few minutes. Once the seasoning tastes right, turn off the heat and transfer to a serving dish. Now let's build a sandwich and give it a try. I'm telling you, after this, you won't need any other condiment. All right, so let's give this sandwich a quick try. The sandwich is on a piece of my homemade focaccia bread. It's a quick and easy recipe, not traditional focaccia bread, but a quick and easy focaccia bread recipe. Click the link to learn how to make that one. I think you're gonna love it. And I put this spread on both sides of the bread, a little piece of prosciutto and provolone, and we'll give it a try. Oh, looks good. It smells good too. Oh yeah. Honestly, yeah, I can taste the provolone and the prosciutto, but the real star of the sandwich is this spread. You could eat this as a sandwich by itself. It's delicious. The mushrooms and the peppers together with that tomato paste, man, it's a great combination. Forget the mayo, forget the mustard, forget the oil and vinegar. Try this, you're gonna love it. Appreciate the support. Join us next time on Real Plates, Real Life, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye. That was awesome.